Morning class. Today there's going to be a number of videos, but I went ahead and added the BellWork on our video today because it's really important for us to understand domain and range. So this is the BellWork. There's 8 graphs. Okay, I want you to find the domain and range of each. Remember, domain goes left and right. Range goes up and down. Domain, you're comparing your x values. Range, you're comparing your y values. All right. Answer these as best as you can. Push pause until you've answered it. Push play when you're ready to see the answers. All right. Push pause now. Okay, so what I said when we learned this, domain goes left and right, so you look how far to the left does it go? It goes from 2 and it goes all the way over to 3. So looking left to right, we're in between 2 and 3. Since there's 2 stops, there's going to be 2 symbols. So start with your first number, 2, and our x's are going to be bigger than 2, and they're going to be smaller than 3. So 2 symbols, as long as you put the lower value first, they're always going to open up just like that, with left over here when you have 2 symbols. Now, range, y values, how low does it go? It goes from 1 up to 3. So we're looking from 1 to 3, put y in the middle. This one also has 2 symbols. Now, the last thing to check is closed or open circle. Open circle gets this symbol. If it had a closed circle, we would underline it. They both have open circles, so all of our symbols are like that. Number 2 here, we know the domain of every quadratic is all real numbers, because it goes forever to the left and it goes forever to the right. That's what those arrows mean. It keeps going. Now the range is going to be limited to where our y values stop. So we have one stop, we'll have 1 symbol, so we're comparing our y's to our 1 stop at -2. And now, just look at it. Are the y's bigger or smaller than -2? They are all getting bigger. They're increasing. So it's going to be like this. Now, there's no open circle on this dot, so that's considered part of the line, so we also need to underline that symbol. It is just like that. Let's keep going. 3. 2 stops, 2 symbols. So for my domain, I'm going to have from -5 to +4. They were both open circles, no change on symbols. Range, how low does it go? It goes from 0 up to 4. 2 stops, so 2 symbols. And since they're both open circles, that's it. Domain here, how far to the left does it go? It goes from 0 to 5. 2 stops, 2 symbols. So from 0, symbol X, symbol 5. Now in this one, it has a closed circle at 0, so we need to underline just this symbol. For the range, how low does it go? It goes from -3 to +3. Now at +3 we have a closed dot, and at -3 it's part of the line, so that's also considered closed. So they both get underlined. Five and 6. Domain, how far to the left does it go? It goes from -2 to +2. Open circle, so we're done there on range. Or sorry, on domain. Move on to range. From -3 to +5. Now on this one, -3 is open circle, that one's fine. +5, it's part of the line, so that is going to be a closed dot. Number 6, domain, how far to the left does it go? -2 to +2. Open circle, closed circle. So this one's fine. Underline that one. Range, how low does it go? positive 2 to positive 4. Part of the line, so let's underline, close circle, underline that. Even though this one is open circle and it's also on the top, since there is a closed circle, since part of it is included right there, we include the 4. We got 2 more. Number 7 was the easiest. Goes forever to the left, goes forever to the right, so this is all real numbers. Goes forever down, goes forever up, so this is also all real numbers. Number 8, last one. How far to the left does it go? Stops here at 0, and it goes up to positive 5. So we're comparing 0 to x, positive 5. Open circle, so don't underline it. Closed circle, underline this side. Range, how low does it go? It goes from negative 1 to positive 4. Closed circle, so underline this. Open circle, it's not included. And that was your BellWork for today. Hopefully this was a good review for you. We're going to be doing domain and range on exponentials today as part of our lesson.